Is 128 gigabytes killing your MacBook? Is your MacBook Air A1466 running out of storage? Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your SSD from 128 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes step by step. Let's open it up and give this MacBook a new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe Fix Tech Lab. First, we remove all the screws from the bottom cover. You need a P5 screwdriver for this MacBook. Carefully unscrew everything and keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. After removing all the screws, gently take off the bottom cover. Don't pull too hard, open it slowly to avoid damage. Before doing any work, always disconnect the battery. Carefully unplug the connector to prevent a short circuit. Here is our SSD. It is fixed with one screw. We remove it using a T5 screwdriver. After unscrewing, carefully pull the SSD out of the slot. Pull it straight and gently to avoid damaging the connector. This is our old 128 gigabytes SSD. We replace it with a new 512 gigabytes drive, more storage, and better performance. Now install the new SSD. Insert it carefully into the slot and secure it with the T5 screw. Reconnect the battery. Close the bottom cover. And screw everything back in place using the P5 screwdriver. Done! Now you have 512 gigabytes instead of 128 gigabytes more space and no storage problems. Subscribe to Fix Tech Lab.